Hi everyone, I am Hemant Chandra, a student of IIT Madras. So actually I am having a problem regarding my back pain. So actually since it might be 1 or 2 years, because in this age what students think, in this age students of this age generally are of software employees or else students pursuing their research. What we'll do is continuously we'll sit in this posture or else we don't even rectify our posture whether it's right or wrong. So because of that, since 2 years I'm in a research thing. So because of that, what is happening is I haven't never observed about my posture, and the problem is that I'm having a lower back pain in this region. I've undergone I've been to different doctors. First I just went to physiotherapy where I didn't find any result there. Next I was followed to orthopedician. There also they have gone through some X-rays and all, but still in X-rays there wasn't anything visible. Then they have suggested me neurology. Then after going to that neurology, then I could find that in an MRI there are some disc bulges, which I was shocked to hear, because of at this age I seriously don't know that a student can have disc bulges and some spine, those kind of problems. So then after 3 months, roughly 3 months of medication in neurology also, I couldn't find any change. Like those medications are just to relieve pain for that instant of time. That is, they are just like a painkiller. They only relieve pain for that time. Again, after the medication is done, again I'm having problem. So I just again went back to there. Then they said that, did you undergo ever physiotherapy? Then I said yes, but there wasn't any use. Then Dr. Sankalp at NIMS has suggested me that PhysioShine Physio Rehab's Cairo Center. Sorry, actually I don't remember the name, so I'm just looking at that. So Dr. Sankalp suggested me that there is so-called doctor like Sachin. So you just once consult him. I'll for sure guarantee you that this doctor will cure you this. Actually, as I've gone to many doctors, I don't even have belief on this hospital also, because I've been going through doctors and it became like a habit to me. Like I'm going to everyone, they are saying yeah, it will be for sure. But this Dr. Sankalp word, it brought some impact in me. The way he said it, like for sure I'll guarantee my whole salary on this, that in 5 or 6 sessions you'll be completely cured. Then I felt like okay, just give me one more try, one last time, whether the pain is cured or not. If it is cured or not, this should be the last hospital or the last doctor that I should visit. And if pain is cured, then I'll be happy that no more doctor is required. If pain is not cured, then I fix that I shouldn't go to any doctor because no one is doing anything. Then I was here at LB Nagar on the day one, through mobile I took an appointment. So I came here. After I came here, it was like there will be a consultation session. So what happens in this consultation session is the Dr. Sachin will be just looking about what the problem is and all. He'll be looking through the reports, and he'll be letting me know how many number of sessions that I need to go under. So actually that day one consultation session itself, I don't know, there is some magic kind of a thing happened, and it was 50% of relief was there. Then I fixed, this doctor will be there. He will, how many ever sessions he might take, I don't want that, but I just want a life which is normal, and I just don't want this pain at all. Then I fixed I'll be going away from here with my word done, that this will be the last doctor that I'll visit. And I fixed in my mind that for sure I'll have a proper treatment here. And one thing that a patient should have with the doctor is the belief that patient should have on a doctor, that this doctor will cure me for sure. And on that consultation session, I got that belief on Dr. Sachin because of the treatment that he has given me. It was wonderful that relief was it was so much relieving for me. Then I was asked that I have to attend for 6 sessions. Though there are COVID protocols here, everyone is despite of these COVID protocols and all, so they have given me some time slots, and I was asked to wear socks, and as you can see I was asked to wear mask and all, everything. I should carry my own towel for that. And I was asked I should undergo 4 kinds of treatments. One is rehabilitation, the second one is IFT, the third one is traction, and the fourth one is Cairo. This Cairo is what I have said that in the previous consultation session that gave me 50% of relax. So rehabilitation is generally exercises and all, stretching exercises. And one thing And one thing I should specially say regarding this rehabilitation is, generally we do exercises by just looking into YouTube, but actually what happens is there won't be any person to correct us. But whatever we do, we feel like we are doing correct, but we don't know that whether we are doing correct or not. Each and every person, every physiotherapist here, they are like so nice to me. The way they treat me, like a warm welcome they are giving every day. Like whether it's morning or evening, they receive me so perfectly. And every day they ask me like, what's the amount of relief that you got in percentages. So depending on that, they assist me, they guide me. Whenever I am doing any exercise in a wrong posture, there are lots of people here, like they assist me perfectly, like in what posture I should do, in like, I mean, where the pain actually should come. I mean, like whenever we see in YouTube, we just do the exercise, but we can't feel that pain or else that relaxation in somewhere. Sorry. But what here it happens is, they assist me like, okay, you are doing so and so exercises, so you should feel the pain in so and so place. Then only what I am doing is correct. Okay, then I understood that these are the exercises that I should do. After that, I was advised like you have to do at home like 2 or 3 times these rehabilitation. And whatever the equipment here that is there, it's like somewhat unique kind of an equipment is present over here. As you can see, this is some kind of a bed like I have never seen before. I have never seen before, like I have mentioned in the previous few minutes, that I have been to a physiotherapy where I was just asked to lay down over the bed, and some gel kind of a thing will be applied to some strips, and those strips will be attached here, and through that some frequencies, or I mean through some waves will be going on that just relieves the pain. That's the only physiotherapy until now what I've heard or what I've seen. But here it is like this equipment is somewhat different. Like I've never seen, to be honest, I've never seen that previously. Depending on the problem that we are having, whether it's a neck or it's a spine or lower back pain, Dr. Sachin will be like helping us a lot in this. A patient has to sleep over, lay over here, and you can see that there are strips of bed here. So depending on that, where the actual problem is happening, that problem will be cured with the hand. The first physiotherapist like I've seen who does that everything. I mean, like, for suppose we have a clay in our hand, we need to get it into a proper shape, we need to mold that with our own hand, and we can't say that, yeah, do this, then we will get a particular shape. So in the similar way, Dr. Sachin, what he like, like I am not a student of MBBS, so I don't know what actually happens in that. So he applies some force over wherever it's required, and then first my spine is like made into some S kind of a shape, and then to maintain that shape or else to strengthen the muscles over there, I was asked to go for like different exercises, stretching exercises, or else there is some kind of a traction. So actually I couldn't show that here, it is in some other room. So in traction what happens is, like 2 chains will be attached here, and it will be like pull and push. Because of that, our spine, wherever like disc bulges are present or where else 2 spine discs are there, so when there is a pull, what happens is that will be expanding, and that disc kind of a structure in that will be like free enough. And after that, it will be like push back and pull, push. This kind of a thing happens regularly. So I was asked for 6 sessions, and today is my last session, and I made like my word is done, and I'm happy for that I'm going back from here without any pain, and I don't need to visit any doctor anymore. That's all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sachin sir. And I couldn't remember most of the physiotherapists' name. They are like Muzaiddin, Bhavana, Shravanti. Sorry that I couldn't remember any of those names. I just heard them because they used to call them. I just used to call them as ma'am or sir. Though I couldn't remember everyone's name, but I'm thankful to each and every physician present over here that they gave me relief at this. After like 2 years. So I'm thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much.